In this video, I will describe the Office Solver payroll processing process. Our payroll processing module is used to calculate payroll with the proper taxes taken out, etc., or identifying the proper taxes and all other payroll parameters that need to be considered. It also provides the information, the tax information for the pre-filled tax forms to be automatically generated. And we're talking about the 941s, 940s, W-2s, etc. And it also provides the ability to perform direct deposits of the payroll funds directly to the employee's account. We do that using payment links, and I'll cover all of these things in this video. So the first thing to do is to navigate to the current payroll, which is where we are now. So you click on payroll processing and process current payroll. After arriving at this page, the easiest thing to do is the first thing you want to do is review your payroll for this period. So you click on the review all button, and you'll see every employee's payroll data, the name, the pay period here, and you click on the next button. You can cycle through the payroll with the next and previous buttons. So let's cancel this, go back to the main payroll page. After you have reviewed the payroll and you're happy with it, the next step that you want to do is approve it. You can approve each uh, payroll, each employee's payroll individually, or you can click a single button. Um, and so that's what I'm going to do now. So approve and create checks button, and it's approving each of the payrolls. And so now you see the link appear, reject or approve payroll. So for some reason, um, if we wanted to reject the payroll, if we caught a mistake, we could reject the approved payroll at this point. But after approving it, given the fact that everything is going correctly, you want to initiate a direct deposit, and this is implemented to, as I referred to earlier, the payment links. So if you click on the direct check, I'm sorry, the deposit check link here, you'll see what's known as a payment link appear, which is this URL here. And what you want to do at this point is simply enter the amount of the payment, and um, then select the account that you want the funds to come out of, and it will be transferred to this individual's account, um, to whatever bank account or debit card they have associated with this payment link. So let's get out of here and let's talk about this a little more, because when I review the next employee, you will see when I try to deposit funds there, um, the payment link hasn't been created. So I wanted to describe this a little more in terms of the role of the payment link and how the payment link is created. So since it's not created for this employee, if you click OK, you'll be redirected to the merchant account page. You see the name Bill Jones here. So you can see that we have a merchant account for the employee that has a payment link. When you create a merchant account, you automatically create the payment link for that employee. So it's only through creating a merchant account that we're able, for each employee, that we're able to create the payment links and thereby send funds to their account. So let's look at the parameters or the information that goes into creating a merchant account. And we actually created a merchant account in the previous video, but I'm just going to review it while I have the information here. So we just type in the contact information. This is all dummy data: social security name, social security number, email address. Um, for the website, you can use officesolver.com as the website name. And the other fields are self-explanatory. So in this case, this is a dummy account information, but you would specify, in this case, the bank and the account number and routing number. And again, that information does not get transmitted, but we don't save that information. It simply goes directly to the processing um, systems. So let's go back and finish the discussion on the current payroll. So at this point, all payrolls have been approved, and let's say that we've made all the direct deposits that we need. The next thing you want to do is archive this payroll, which completes the payroll. What that'll do is clear the current payroll page. So when I click on the button, the archive button, okay, it tells me I've successfully processed the payroll, and it redirected me to the payroll processing page. There's different ways to get to this page, but when you're on this page, you can review your payroll history by simply clicking on the View Previous Payroll icon here. Or you could also access this same area from the main menu by going on to Payroll, Payroll Processing, and View Previous Payroll. And this is the payroll that we just processed. So that gives you the entire payroll process, how to approve payrolls, how to initiate direct deposit, and how to review payroll history. So with that said, that